arriving in Brussels for a further emergency meeting to try to save the eurozone. Finance ministers who share the common currency have been told by the European Union they have 10 days to resolve the ongoing debt crisis. They agreed yesterday to boost the firepower of their bailout fund, but are still not sure how to finance it. Discussions are now focusing on the key role of the IMF and the European Central Bank.
We have to continue to work on, especially on two fronts, both in order to ensure that we have the sufficiently credible financial firewalls to contain market turbulence, and at the same time we need to further reinforce our economic governance.
Reassuring the markets is also top of the agenda. With fears, the contagion effect will happen sooner than anyone can imagine.
Well, I think basically we need to see a front-loaded fiscal consolidation from both Italy and Spain. We have now a window of opportunity in the sense that we have two new governments, so they can take out all the skeletons, and they must realize that the market does not provide with honeymoons. So if that would happen, the meeting in early December with the heads of state would start out on a much better footing, because then we would see much more credibility in the market.
Our correspondent in Brussels says the EU is failing to get enough money to help an increasing number of countries in need. The ministers will study fresh statistics, looking for any sign of economic growth. But the main decisions will be at a meeting next week of the heads of states and governments.
Euronews, Bruxelles.